Now we will talk about customization of Workspace. When we want to get rid of essential workspace and create our own workspace, it's all about customization. Just click on Essential button. All this list is of pre-built workspaces. There is an advanced workspace. When I click on it, there you go. We can see arrangement of panels is different from the essential. And now we want to create our own. How to do that? I just want to get rid of all the excessive panels that are not used most often. I just collect all the panels that I am in need. Like this. I want my properties panel to appear with paragraph panel. I want my pages panel and layer panel grouped together like this. I don't want these excessive panels all the time sitting here and consuming the space. I just get rid of them. I just close all of them. Now I'll place my own panel where I want. Just click and press the mouse button and drag it to the location until blue halo appears. There you go. Now place the character panel on the left side of the layer. Like this. From the arrows upper on the right corner, I can expand and close whenever I want to. Let me reduce the size of character panel. Now it's a beautiful column that you can see. I can also open and close my layers panel like this. I can click on an individual panel to open it like this and then close it. This is my new workspace. Now I'll save it by clicking on the advanced button and then new workspace. I'll write my name and then press OK. Now you can see my workspace has been saved. There you go. Every time when I disorganize my panels, I can reset them just clicking on the My Workspace and then reset my workspace. There you go. All panels have been arranged quickly as I arranged them. In the next lecture, we will talk about View command.